Let's get the latest on another Gupta wedding that's facing opposition in India.
A local court has come down hard on the Gupta brothers, saying that if they had known about the wedding even a week ago, they would not have allowed the festivities to go ahead. The wedding is taking place in the ecologically sensitive Himalayas in North India. Neha Punia has more from New Delhi.
The week-long grand festivities for the Gupta family in the North Indian state of Uttarakhand have begun. Ajay and Atul Gupta picked the ski town of Oli for the double weddings of their sons. But following the intervention of a local court in that state, festivities are expected to be slightly muted. The court has levied a fine of 30 million Indian rupees or about $400,000 on account of the environmental damages that the wedding arrangements are likely to cause to the town of Oli. It's also curtailed all activities which could add to noise pollution in the area, for example, the use of a band or firecrackers. It's also asked local authorities to ensure that the celebrations don't lead to water or air pollution in the area. 2 officers from the state's pollution control board are also in that town monitoring the celebrations. The court has said that there will be no helicopter sorties to Oli and that no helipads will be constructed or used in that area, but it has given permission to use existing helipads in neighboring areas for the wedding festivities. The court has said while it's not going to stop the wedding since the damage has already been done, had it known about how grand these celebrations were going to be even a week earlier, it would not have allowed the wedding to go ahead. According to local media reports, in the area where the wedding is being held, local laws prohibit the setting up of tents. However, locals claim that an entire city of tents has been set up for this wedding. Locals in Oli are also reportedly unhappy with all the special treatment they claim has been accorded to the Gupta brothers by the state government. Locals have been quoted by the state media as saying that the laws have been ignored for the Guptas while they are never granted such leeways by the state government when it comes to using the facilities in the town of Oli. 400 guests are expected to attend the week-long festivities in that town. Neha Punia, SABC News, New Delhi.